Sunil from Clean here. So we're just talking about safety today, safety on commercial roofs specifically, but also of course this applies to residential. So we're working on a factory roof. I've got to clean all the gutters and flush all the pipes, the down pipes here. Now they don't have any anchor points on this roof, as you can see. So this is where I can offer a solution where we install a temporary anchor point into the roofing screws, as you can see here. Very simple kind of idea, and it's completely safe, complies with all the standards for Australian roof height safety. What else was I going to just say was, so we're obviously accredited at working at height, so we can provide you all of that requirement, and we can also give you our public liability insurance, of course, and if we're required to operate lifts, then we can also give you the WorkSafe high risk license that we have as well. So no issues in terms of trying to comply with the safety that you may have on site. Obviously providing safe working method statements is something that we can do as well, so that tick all the boxes, and ultimately at the end of the day get those boxes done so that we can actually get the job done. So there we go, that's the and then basically we just, obviously I've got the harness on here, you can see, and clip in the fall arrest, and away we go. We should be able to start working now. So hope that's helpful. If we can help you with a quote, we'd be happy to. We're based in Melbourne. We also work through Victoria, and we'd be happy to work with you if you have an opportunity. Thank you.